if sine theta plus cosec theta equals 2, then sine square plus cosec square. So they gave here also same, like sine theta plus cosec theta equals 2. See, we need square, sine square and cosec square. So we'll do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both sides. If I do squaring on both sides, I'll get sine theta plus cosec theta whole square equals 2 whole square. So a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square sine square theta, b square, so you'll get here b is cosec, so cosec square theta, plus 2ab, 2 sine theta into cosec theta equals 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. Now here again sine into cosec is 1 because sine and cosec are reciprocal. Sine theta into cosec theta. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. So sine into cosec is 1. So sine square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 into 1 is 2 equals 4. See, sine square theta plus cosec square theta equals 4 plus 2 on transposing you'll get like minus 2. So sine square theta plus cosec square theta equals 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer for sine square theta plus cosec square theta is 2. So the correct option is 3. So Polytechnic Polyset 2002 paper from the trigonometry questions. If tan theta minus cot theta equals 1, then tan square theta plus cot square theta. So they gave tan theta plus cot theta, so tan theta minus cot theta equals 1. So we need tan square plus cot square. So as we need square, so we'll do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides. So then we'll get like tan theta minus cot theta whole square equals 1 square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 tan theta into cot theta equals 1 square is 1. But tan theta into cot theta is 1 because they are reciprocals. Tan theta into cot theta is 1 because they are reciprocals, because tan theta ratio is sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Sin cancel, cos cancel, or otherwise you can take the ratio. Tan is opposite by adjacent, cot is adjacent by opposite. They are reciprocal to each other, so they are like 1. So tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 into 1 is 2 equals 1. So tan square theta plus cot square theta is 1. On transposing, minus 2 will become like plus 2. So tan square theta plus cot square theta is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So the correct answer is 3. So here the option is 1. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square minus tan square a minus cot square a. So here if I'll solve this, sin a plus cosec a whole square is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square cosec square a plus 2ab, 2 sin a cosec a, plus here this is cos a plus sec a whole square, again a plus b whole square, so cos square a square plus b square, that is secant square a, plus 2 cos a into sec a minus tan square here I'll write minus tan square A minus cot square A. Now see here, sine into cosec is 1, cos into sec is 1 because they are reciprocal. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. So this value is 1. Cos into sec is also 1 because cos and sec are reciprocal. Cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse, sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. So, and here if you'll see, three identities of trigonometry which we are going to use. Now see, I'll write together like sine square A and this one, sine square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A minus, here is a second, I'll underline, cosec square A minus cot square A. Next, what is left now? Plus secant square A minus tan square A plus 2, and here also plus 2 because this is 1. 2 into 1 you can write if you want. Okay. So three trigonometric identities. Those are like, see, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Next one is like secant square theta minus tan square theta, its value is 1. And in the same way, like cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. These are the three identities of trigonometry. Now here, sine square plus cos square is 1. Cosec square minus cot square is also 1. Secant square A minus tan square A is 1. Plus 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So the answer is 7. So the correct option is 1. See, this question is based on the identity. We need to find the, based on the identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Here it is, we need to find the value of under root cosec square theta minus 1. So first find from here what is cosec square theta minus 1. So see, cosec square theta minus 1, if we'll transpose 1 here, if we'll take cot square to the other side, so you'll get like cot square theta. We need under root, so square, take this side, root cosec square theta minus 1 equals cot theta. So under root cosec square theta minus 1 is cot theta. Okay, you can simplify like this, or otherwise, what is cosec square theta minus 1? See, we need to find under root cosec square theta minus 1. So what is cosec square theta minus 1? Cot square. So you can substitute here under root cot square theta square root. So you'll get cot theta. So either this way or this way. The correct option is 3. If sec theta plus tan theta equals m, sec theta minus tan theta equals n, then one of the condition is true. So see here, it's very clear that sec and tan, we have the identity. See, secant square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. So here it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So if I'll multiply these two, so see what I'll get, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta equals m into n, because sec theta plus tan theta is m, sec theta minus tan theta is n. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square equals m n. But secant square theta minus tan square theta value is 1. So 1 equals m n. So m n equals 1. So the correct option is 1. If a cos a plus b sin a equals 1, a sin a minus b cos a equals 1. See here we need to eliminate theta. Why we need to eliminate theta? Because in the solutions we don't have the angle theta. So we need to eliminate theta. So what I'll do squaring on both sides for both the cases and I'll add them. So what I'm saying is a cos a plus b sin a whole square plus a sin a minus b cos a whole square equals, this value is 1 square and this value is also 1 square. Now if I'll expand from here. So this is a square, a plus b whole square. So a square will be a square cos square a plus b square sin square a plus 2ab. So 2 a cos a into b sin a, if you will multiply, you will get 2ab cos a sin a plus, if you will expand this part, a minus b whole square. So a square sin square a plus b square cos square a minus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2ab sin a cos a equals 1 plus 1. So now see, 2ab sin a cos a or cos a sin a and minus 2ab sin a cos a will get cancelled. Now in the remaining terms, if we'll take a square common, a square here and here, so you'll be left with like cos square a plus sin square a. Now if we'll take b square common, see, which I will underline, b square if we'll take common, I'll be left with like sin square a plus cos square a equals 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we have the identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here cos square a plus sin square a or sin square a plus cos square a, its value is 1 plus b square, again sin square a plus cos square a 1 equals 2. So the answer is a square plus b square equals 2. So here the correct option is 1. Sin a into root 1 plus cos a by under root 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a. So here sin a into root under root 1 plus cos a by 1 plus cos a under root 1 minus cos a. So just I rearrange so that I'll rationalize this part. So into root 1 plus cos a by under root 1 plus cos a. So now if you'll see here, sin a into under root 1 plus cos a, you'll get 1 plus cos a whole square by 1 plus cos a into this 2, see, they are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So you'll get a square minus b square. A square minus b square, that is 1 square minus cos square a. So now see, we have the identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So from here, like, what is sin square theta? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of 1 minus cos square a, okay, one second, sin a into here square and root cancel. So you'll be left with like 1 plus cos a by 1 plus cos a. And this is under root 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, sin square a. 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a. So here sin a by here square root cancel, again under root sin square a is sin a. So sin a and sin a. So the answer is 1. So the correct option is 1. Here we need to find sin 45 degrees cos 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees. Now see here, this problem is based on the values. So I'll share the table, trigonometric table, okay, with the help of the logic in the description. So now from the table, like sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. 1 cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 1 into 1, 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1, or you can take LCM. 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2, which is 1. So the correct option is 2. See, this geometrical proof I'll make the video, but now with the help of logic I made the table that I'll share in the description. The value of tan square 60 cos square 45 secant square 30 plus 5 cos square 90. Now see, tan 60 is root 3 whole square. Okay, tan 60 value is root 3 whole square plus 4 cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. 3 sec 30. Sec 30, see, like if you know the cos 30 value, you can write reciprocal. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 whole square plus 5 cos square 90. Cos 90 value is 0 square. Fine. Root 3 whole square is 3 cancel, so square root cancel 3 plus 4 into 1 square is 1, root 2 whole square is 2 plus 3 into 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3 plus 5 into 0. Here 3 cancel, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So the correct option is 3. So we need to find the value of 1 plus cos 60 by 1 minus cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So in the numerator, if we take LCM, that is 2. So 2 plus 1. In the denominator, LCM is 2. So 2 minus 1. Here 2 and 2 cancel. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 3. So the correct option is 1.